Draw in.
And draw out.
Connect to the natural rhythm beneath your feet.
Take stock.
Center.
And find your voice again.
Jetty Park tells the human stories behind the creative spirit that links the jetty's changing fortunes.
From the pioneering signwriters swinging in the breeze above the 19th century cargoes of tea and spice, through to the energy of the dancers and filmmakers and artists of the 70s, and on to the visionaries and developers behind its 80s transformation into a food and design district.
Wandering routes through naturalised planting will enhance the jetty's subtle appeal and bring this London landmark and its history to life. A playful meander of benches and planters creates a framework that celebrates the views and activities of the jetty, a place to slow down. Planting and wayfinding, seating and lighting are woven together to set the stage for a joyful narrative environment of hand-painted quotes and stories from the jetty's past.
A modular system of upcycled components reflects an assembly of unloaded goods across the jetty. Durable timber pallets are repurposed to form the vertical structure connecting modular pressed steel brackets.
These can be configured into different radiuses, heights, and orientations to create planters, decks, and benches for us to sit, even bike stands.
The unifying strategy draws together existing components through colour and curation.
It's high quality, situated, dynamic, environmentally considered, and cost effective.
Trees frame entrances, their soft, open structure offering views through and beneath, while low hummocks and spikes of evergreen anchor the billowing ephemeral planting. Seasonality is key, from the freshness of new growth in spring to summer airiness with a lightness of touch, fading into dusky autumn softness before structuring winter with evergreens and seed heads.
A smudgy tonal palette has zesty highlights, creating a serene, reflective atmosphere of shadows and silhouettes. This biodiverse backdrop softens the boundaries between river and city, celebrating what came before and what lies beneath.
Our team embraces the co-creation of public spaces as an opportunity to transfer skills, build resilience, and make new connections. We're excited at the opportunity of working with you to include your ideas and evolve the planted jetty to an open space where residents and visitors can relax, pause, and reflect.